Hey guys, my name is Raghu Gangotri and this channel just crossed 1000 subscribers. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Hostinja, and in this video we're going to talk about Hostinja. So let's get started with the video. And Hostinja is a web hosting platform as defined by the name, and you can check out the website link given in the description, and you can also type the link hostinja.in/hackerrahul. Okay, let's get started. So hosting, shared web hosting. In this particular video we are going to talk about shared web hosting. Hostinja बहुत सारी चीज़ें प्रोवाइड करता है, जैसे शेड वेब होस्टिंग, क्लाउड होस्टिंग, ईमेल होस्टिंग, वर्डप्रेस, इंडिया होस्टिंग, and VPS and the domain registration also. So in this particular video we're going to talk about shared web hosting. So let's click on that. And in shared web hosting there are three plans: single web hosting, premium, and the business. So single goes with 59 per month, premium with 119 per month, and the business with 219 per month. Okay, so single web hosting allowed you to host one website, and then 100 website and 100 website each with the business hosting, and multiple things you can check out always. So by the way, link is in the description, so you can check out. Okay, so I'll go with premium web hosting because I'm using it for 4 years now and I'm pretty happy with it. My all websites are hosted with premium web hosting plan of Hostinja. So add to cart. Okay, so as you can see, premium web hosting has been added to our cart, and we are also eligible for a free domain. Okay, so let's choose for 12 months. And then apply the coupon code HackerRahul. It is also given in description. Okay, the coupon has been applied, so you can see that that it's become red now because a coupon has been availed. So for domain we have to go for okay, and then search. Yeah, so it's available and it's for zero cost. So आपको यहाँ पे पता लगेगा कि यहाँ पे ये ज़ीरो है सब टोटल इसका. And then we can continue checkout. We can just log into our account. I'm already signed up, so I can log in, but you are not, so you can sign up with your Facebook, Gmail, or directly create an account. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this video. So now we have set up our premium web hosting, SSL certificate, and the domain registration. Okay, so we got three of them. We can set up the premium web hosting first. These are the first step you can choose. So I'm going to choose this domain name, select, and there's the address. So you can see our hosting and domain is being registered right now. So I have to build a new website. So I'll click on this, skip, I'll start from scratch, and then finish setup. So I can choose my location, server location, and then I can choose Asia because I'm living in India. Okay, finish setup. Remember, this is the first time selection, so you can select only while setting up the hosting account. So as you can see, my account is ready. I can go to control panel, manage site. Also with the Hostinja account, Hostinja premium plan and the business plan, you get lifetime free SSL certificate with for less encrypt. So let's get started with Hostinja, and I'm gonna set up all the things. Okay, so as my domain is already pointed to Hostinja because I buy it from Hostinja, so it's gonna point pretty soon. And you can also, there's a couple of things. So what you can do is, with premium web hosting and business web hosting, you can add multiple hosting account with the same plan as your current premium hosting plan, but with another space. As you can see, you can host the 100 website while selecting the plans. So with the emails, you can get up to unlimited emails, and then let's click on email and click an email right now. So here is our email, info@upex.in, and then the password. As you can see, I've created the email. And it's created, and you can access it right here. Here's the email account. So that's it for the email part, and we can also email forwarders, catch all emails, autoresponders. So if anyone send you an email, it gets an auto respond. You can add subdomains, as many as what you want, Spark domain, and the ad website. I can set up Cloudflare and the website builder, obviously, and the auto installer. The most interesting feature of HostNinja is the auto installer. So there are almost 50 plus CMS and the everything like open source platforms. So you can have WordPress, Drupal, PHP, Joomla, PrestaShop, and the OpenGart, and everything. Billing Box, PrestaShop, OpenBABO, Group Office, Collaborative, Hesk, everything. So you can just one click install all of it. So let's install one. Here's the WordPress. Everybody know WordPress. So include overwrite existing. Yeah. My hacker Rahul. So as you can see, we have our WordPress installed. So right now our domain is taking our DNS propagation time. So while our WordPress is being set up, let's talk about file manager. So HostNinja का सबसे बढ़िया पार्ट जो है वो है उसका फाइल मैनेजर. मतलब फाइल मैनेजर कोई कहीं भी आप cPanel ले लो या फिर आप GoDaddy का ले लो, कहीं पे भी ले लो, आपको फाइल मैनेजर सबसे बढ़िया जो मिलेगा वो मिलेगा HostNinja में, बिकॉज दे गिव द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टू एडिट द फाइल ऑनलाइन with just the feel of having an IDE like Atom or Notepad++. So upix.in, and then our WordPress site, you can just double tap and then edit everything. You can have a full screen. It just and one click save. Nothing any SSH command or Linux command. Nothing. Just the open file manager on server. Okay. So here is a DNS zone editor. You can also always set up your DNS server and everything, and the PHP configuration. You can always like manipulate your PHP configuration like from 7.2 to 7.4 or change your PHP versions, and then the option also. So you can have to display errors or not display errors, log errors or not. So you can set up all right here. Also you can set the cron job for like having automatically running scripts after a certain interval of time. You can have the SSH access, and you can have the cache manager and the get and the SSL part. Okay, so in the SSL part you can always generate your SSL and put the keys right here and then install it. So I have this pending SSL certificate. I can just one click install it. And there's all that things you can also see. So that's it with this video, and होपफुली आप लोगों को ये चीज़ पसंद आई होगी HostNinja के बारे में. HostNinja एक बहुत बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म है, क्योंकि मैं 2016 से मेरी जितनी भी वेबसाइट्स होस्ट हैं आज तक ऑलमोस्ट अबव 250 वेबसाइट्स हैं अभी, क्योंकि मेरे क्लाइंट्स की हैं और मेरी हैं. सो अबव 50 वेबसाइट्स हैंडल कर रहा है, और मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया स्पीड आपने देखी होगी वेबसाइट्स की, मेरी अच्छी स्पीड आती है. And pacify.com, you can see the hackerahul.com, everything. So I recommend using HostNinja shared hosting platform if you are a small business, and for business having like multiple users or many users, you can always upgrade your plan to business hosting or go up to cloud hosting and the VPS hosting. So thank you for watching this video, and thanks a lot.